In this video, we will explore one method for solving real-world problems involving proportions. In middle school, students must understand the concept of a ratio as a relationship between two numbers. One way students can solve problems involving proportional relationships is by creating a table of equivalent ratios. Let's take a look at an example. Jessica can read 2 pages in 5 minutes. At this rate, how many pages can she read in 80 minutes? Let's start by making a ratio table. So I'm going to put pages and minutes and put in Jessica's rate, 2 pages in 5 minutes. But I know I need to find out how much Jessica can read in 80 minutes. So the first thing I can do is maybe double that rate. I want to see what happens in 10 minutes. And if I double that, I'm going to double the number of pages that Jessica can read. So now I know that she can read 4 pages in 10 minutes. I can keep doubling that rate and see if I can get close to 80. So doubling 10, I have 20 minutes. Doubling 4 pages, I have 8 pages. Not quite to 80 yet, so I'll continue doubling. 40 minutes, and in that amount of time, Jessica can read 16 pages. And if I double one more time, I'm going to reach that target of 80 minutes. So if I double the pages, I find out that Jessica can read 32 pages in 80 minutes. Another way to think about this problem is to start off with our given rate. 2 pages in 5 minutes is what Jessica can read. If I want to think about what she can read in 10 minutes, I can still double that so that I find that she reads 4 pages in 10 minutes. But at this point, I might see that there is a relationship between 10 and the 80 minutes that she's looking for, because I know 10 times 8 gives me 80. So I can look at 4 times 8, and that is going to give me the 32 pages, which is the same solution we arrived at earlier, 32 pages in 80 minutes, but we took fewer steps to get there this time. Remember, ratio tables are one strategy students can use to reason proportionally in mathematics. By using a ratio table, students can find different relationships that make the most sense to them when solving a proportion.